Today I'm going to be talking about art. Art is the magic of colors and shapes. We can show our feelings by making cool pictures. Whenever we have art lessons, it always makes me feel great. I'm Van Gogh's picture. Art has been a part of our lives for many years. People have been creating art. Art comes in many.
Where does the artwork come from?
The word art is taken from the Latin ars, which originally meant skill or craft.
Art is an expression of thoughts, emotions, identities, eyesight, and desire. It's even more personal than that. And so sharing your experience with the world or illustrating a memory that words can't say. It can also be used to express love and affection. Art reveals different eras, cultures, people, and stories and ways of doing it.
It makes you feel alive. It takes you on a journey to places you've never been.
Why do people make art? There are countless reasons to motivate the creation of art. Some of them make our surroundings more beautiful. Creating records of a specific time, place, person or object. Expressing and communicating ideas.
Art changes the world. Art has the power to change the way we see the world, awakening us to new perspectives, ideas and values.
Art can take us back in time to past or push us further into the future.